Hey girls, I got the snacks.
One adult and 2 kids to Chunky Chimp, thanks.
And a giant pot. Back to Maddie's room just to chill for a bit, because whatever you guys are watching, it is disturbing other people and they're trying to go to sleep. Okay. My mum has a bunch of face masks in her skincare fridge.
Carefully, that's a great idea.
So I've just ordered some pizza for the girls. I'm gonna go give the girls their pizzas. Alrighty, so here's your guys' pizzas, and here you guys go. So, yeah, enjoy it. So it's past 11:30. I want the girls to go to bed now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and announce it on the speakers.
Quit being babies.
My mum doesn't know that we're awake. Let's pretend that we're asleep. Make any noise. We won't get caught. I think I hear some noises from upstairs. Why are you playing with makeup? Well, I kind of told the girls that if we stayed up, nobody would notice. But I guess you kind of noticed. 1 a.m. You guys were literally giggling the whole entire night. So I think you guys should finally get some sleep. For real this time, alright? We'll go to bed for real this time.